सरकार गौसे आज़म नज़रे करम खुदा।
Dear Sunni brothers, today is most interesting topic that how Mumtazul Fuqaha, Sultanul Asatiza, Huzur Muhaddis Kabir Maddazillahul Ali had gained the early education of his life. He attained his basic knowledge under the watchful eye of his beloved father Huzur Sadr Sharia Faqih Azme Hind. Even during this tender age, the brightness of wisdom, intellect and understanding, discussing and debating could be found in his blessed personality. The reality of this even Huzur Muhaddis Kabir himself acknowledges as a blessings upon him. He says, once whilst I was being taught Surah Fil in Ammapara, last chapter of the Quran, I asked whether Ababil swallows refer to the same ones which we see, and I asked about the Sijil was. Huzur Sadr Sharia radiyallahu ta'ala anhu explained this to Muhaddis Kabir, and then Muhaddis Kabir asked, are these the same swallows which bombarded the elephants and destroyed them? On hearing this, Huzur Sadr Sharia was very pleased and said, Inshallah, this son of mine will be a great alim in the future. This was the level of Hazrat's understanding and knowledge when he was just learning how to recite the Ammapara at this tender age. Not only was he just trying to understand the alphabets and learn how to read the Quran, but his mind was focusing on the words and verses of Quran and trying to understand the incidents in the Quran. The condition of his courage was that at this young age he was respectfully asking such a question to learn and great giant of Islam like Huzur Sadr Sharia radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. He was querying from such a great teacher about whether the Ababil were not the same ones that we see flying and about the meaning of word Sijil. Whereas usually children who are that young never think about what the word mean or which incident it refers to. Actually, they even find difficulty in paying attention to the proper tajweed of how to pronounce the alphabets, let alone them trying to understand the meaning of what they read. Subhanallah, even after being given an answer by him, Huzur Sadr Sharia, the young Huzur Muhaddis Kabir thirst to learn did not end. He still further queried about whether these were the same swallows that had bombarded and destroyed the elephants. I am assuming that possibly he had heard something about the destruction of Abraha's army from his beloved mother when he was much younger, but the intellect and excellent memory he possessed immediately directed his mind to the incident of Abraha and the destruction of his elephant army. The moment he was being taught how to read Surah Fil, this alone shows his wisdom, powerful memory and intellect even as child. Today, most people don't even remember things that have to do with their daily life. So many things people read in their prime, and yet after a week or so, it becomes difficult for them to remember whether they dreamed it or read it. Here, the memory and intellect and more so the interest and just for knowledge in the young Huzur Muhaddis Kabir can be seen. Also the beautiful words of Huzur Sadr Sharia that Inshallah this son of mine will be a great alim in the future. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.